Hello and welcome to Weave, the all-in-one communication platform for optometry practices. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about Weave, show you what it looks like, how it functions, and share a few details on key tools and features that optometry offices love. So let's start out with a general overview of what Weave is and how it benefits optometry practices like yours. Weave combines an entire suite of communication tools into a single, simple platform. These tools include your phone system, texting and team chat, scheduling, automated reminders, payments, review management, and so much more. By combining all these tools into one system, your office can operate more efficiently, saving you time and money, and your patients have a better experience interacting with you and your staff. As you can see right here, Weave's app looks just like a smartphone screen that sits right here on your desktop. Weave also includes a mobile app, very similar to this desktop version, so your staff can call, text, and use Weave's other features when they're out of the office. So let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into a couple of Weave's tools, starting with the phone system here. Weave is an internet-based phone service that replaces your existing phone provider. With Weave, you get unlimited local and long-distance calls, unlimited texting, and unlimited rollover lines, all through your office's existing phone number, meaning we will port over your established business line to work with Weave's phone system. As part of that porting process, we work with your MSP or IT service provider to make sure that you've got a strong enough connection to support our internet-based phone system. Weave's phone system is also one of the many places where information from leading PMS or EHR systems syncs up with our system to show you patient information as soon as they call in before you even pick up the phone. In other words, Weave offers enhanced screen pops where you can see the patient's name, the date of their next appointment, overdue payments, notes from past interactions or appointments, even information about their family as soon as they call in. You can see what that looks like here in this image where Natalie is the current caller, right? You have the option to take that call. You can view her details that you can kind of see behind there. You can ignore the call if you're busy. And as soon as you answer, you get all of her patient information right there that you can use to review and discuss with the patient on the call. Some other amazing phone features include call recording, smart voicemail, after-hour calling trees, automated appointment reminders, just tons of stuff that you would normally have to pay a bunch of different services for, all bundled here inside the app, right? So real quick, let's take a closer look at what the phone system actually looks like inside of the software. You can see this phone icon here in the upper left corner. When I click into that, you can see all of my recent and missed calls, right? Notice if they are a patient of record, you get their name, some of their phone details. You can click into that to listen to a recording of the most recent call. You can call them back, send them a message, an email, even view their details right here, their patient profile. Or you can even request a payment there. Some other options here with the phones include a full list of your patients, a dial pad to manually dial in numbers, and all of your voicemail that you can go into and listen to there. So a lot of powerful phone features all bundled here within this single app. Now, I've touched on this a little bit already, but Weave also offers a mobile app where you and your staff can take calls from anywhere on your mobile smartphone device, right? You download it from an app store. It looks just like this desktop app with all the same options and features. So if you have staff working from home, or maybe there's an internet or power outage, or maybe you're just taking a day off and you want to be, in touch for emergencies, this mobile app is a great way to stay connected while you're away from the office. Okay. Moving along to Weave's messaging tool here. Your staff can actually text back and forth with patients and clients using that same dedicated phone number that you use for phone calls, right? So no more paying for a separate texting service or having texts come from personal numbers or a different number. It's all through that established business line. So let's say a patient wants to reach out and reschedule an appointment, but they're too busy to call. They can save you as a contact. They can find your number online on Google, and they can just go ahead and text that the same way they would their friend and start a conversation to get things taken care of, right? Another messaging feature that optometry offices love is called missed call texts. Let's say your office is super busy, or maybe you're closed for the day and you miss a call, right? It happens. But Weave will actually immediately and automatically follow up with that text message with custom preset messages, reassuring them that you're available, that you're here to help. You just might be a little busy, but that you'll be in touch as soon as possible. You can see a great example of that here, right? This person tried to call in, they went to voicemail or they missed the call. Immediately they got this text. Sorry, we missed your call. We're busy on the other line. Feel free to text us, right? And then they let them know their son is having some problems in school. They scheduled him for an appointment right away. So just a really great way to keep that conversation going in real time and resolve their problem over text, where they may not have left a voicemail or they may not have called back, right? No more phone tag, no more voicemails required there, just a quick responsive text conversation. So let's take a look at that tool here inside the app. We got messages here in the middle. You can see all of the recent messages. You can click into those and kind of continue the line of messaging there. You can tag different messages, mark them as unread. You can even send emojis. You can send images. You can use templates to remind them about appointments or updates or request payments and reviews. And then you can sometimes request digital forms there as well. So just a really powerful messaging tool here in the app. Along with messaging, Weave also offers a team chat tool that allows you to direct message internal groups or individual staff members, keeping all your team communication in one safe place, right? Because between email and texting and messaging apps, there are so many different ways for important messages to get lost in this great void of online messaging. Well, Weave solves that problem by keeping it all here in one place. And the best thing is this tool is designed to maintain HIPAA compliance. So you can share patient information within the team chat tool. It stays safe, it stays secure, and it's all compliant there. So you can see that tool here in the bottom left. We've got a front desk group chat set up to communicate with them. We've got some direct messages. So just a really clean, simple team chat tool to keep things simple there, right? Along with that, we've got some auto appointment reminder and scheduling tools, right? With these, your staff can save a ton of time by setting up automatic appointment reminders to send over text or email. These reminders are customizable by date and time and type of appointment, and your patients won't feel like they're replying to a robot to confirm with a Y for yes or an N for no, because Weave actually uses smart confirmation technology to recognize organic replies like sure or I'll be there. Even a thumbs up emoji that is recognized as a positive confirmation, right? So here in the app, you can see the scheduling option. That's where some of these reminders live. You can see all of the patients coming up for today. You can scroll through and pick a date and go in there and send a bulk message to anyone who has an appointment that day. You can go ahead and review your requests, review your message queue. You can even go in here and filter by whether or not they're confirmed or unconfirmed. A lot of great options, scheduling and appointment reminder options here in that tool. All right, let's next take a look at payments. Okay, Weave offers a variety of payment tools for your patients, including text to pay, where they can pay for services through a link that you send them over text, or they can pay through a terminal in person or with a card that they save on file, or you can manually enter those as well. All these different options make payments super convenient for your patients. They also have the ability to monitor and track payments and payment history on a patient-to-patient basis. So let's say someone has an overdue balance, they call, they text, they come in for an appointment. Those balances show up on their patient profile. You can remind them to pay on the spot. A lot of offices have reported collecting way more payments on time with this tool. So here in the app, you can see the payments tool right here. You've got all your patients right here that you can request payments from, and then you can go in here and look at your payments history. We've got ones that are paid, we've got ones that are unpaid. You can go through and send reminders that way, right? So a really powerful payments tool there. Finally, here I want to look at Weave's review management tool. Online reviews are more important than ever for your reputation, bringing in new patients, and Weave helps you monitor and manage those reviews in real time. You can request reviews from your favorite patients over text and even automate those requests to go out after every appointment. It's all housed right here inside the app. You can see a great example of that here on my slide, where we've got the Google rating, the Facebook rating, total reviews. You can go into each review, reply to them, manage the bad ones, reinforce the good ones, right? Some really powerful online review management tools here, all synced up with your online accounts. So I am running low on time here. I just want to touch on a couple other tools and features that we've got here. Online scheduling, I already touched on that a little bit. This is more of a scheduling option that can live on your website so they can book appointments online. Web chat, same thing. If they don't want to text you, they can go to your website and chat you there from your website. And email marketing. You can do campaigns and email design templates to send to your patients, notify them about promotions, appointment reminders, whatever that looks like, right? So to wrap things up, I just want to touch on a few benefits of using Weave with your MSP or IT service provider, right? By working with an authorized Weave partner, you'll get the best available pricing and installation, support, and overall value for that new communication system. Your MSP or IT provider will ensure that your network and internet are optimized for peak performance to work with Weave, and they'll be here to offer insight and support during the entire sales and implementation process. Weave also offers escalated support assistance to our MSP partnered customers for the lifetime of their Weave account. So a lot of great reasons to work with an authorized Weave partner. If you'd like to take a deeper dive into the system, please go out there and schedule a demo. Contact your MSP representative to set up a time to talk with a Weave expert. You can also call us or go to our website and schedule a demo there. So I hope that helped give you an understanding of what Weave is and what we can do for your optometry office. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this video today. Have a great day.